You think your code runs exactly as you wrote it, line by line, instruction by instruction, predictable, logical, safe. It doesn't. Before your code even starts, your CPU has already changed what will happen. Not metaphorically, not conceptually, literally. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. Let me ask you something. When your program runs, what do you think happens first? First instruction executes. No. Your CPU predicts the future, rearranges the timeline, and only then lets reality catch up. Inside every modern processor, there is a hidden system, a system that refuses to wait. It refuses to follow your code in order, because waiting is slow. So instead, your CPU does something unbelievable. It executes instructions that haven't happened yet, speculatively. It looks at your code, guesses what will happen next, and starts executing that future immediately, before it even knows if it's correct. Let that sink in. Your CPU is running code based on a guess, and here's the part almost nobody realizes. If the guess is wrong, it erases what it did, completely, as if it never happened. But it did happen, just not in the version of reality your program sees. Think about that. Your CPU creates multiple possible futures, executes one of them, and then decides whether to keep it or pretend it never existed. That's not execution. That's rewriting reality. This mechanism is called speculative execution, and it's the reason your computer is fast. Without it, every instruction would wait, every decision would stall, every branch would freeze the pipeline. Instead, your CPU keeps moving. It guesses, it executes, it corrects, billions of times per second. But here's where things get dangerous. Because even when the CPU erases a wrong future, it doesn't erase everything. Some traces remain, tiny, invisible, physical traces, in the cache, and those traces can be measured, which means something incredible. You can detect actions that officially never happened. This is how entire classes of vulnerabilities were discovered. Spectre, Meltdown, attacks that exploit not what your program does, but what your CPU almost did. Think about that. Your program lives in one reality. Your CPU explores many, and sometimes those hidden realities leak into ours. So the next time you write code, remember this. You're not telling the CPU what will happen. You're giving it possibilities. And it decides which version of reality becomes real. Your code is just the suggestion. Your CPU is the author.